We are spending the weekend in Door County, a fun, long weekend on the Door County Peninsula of Wisconsin. If you aren't familiar with Door County, it is the thumb of Wisconsin, the peninsula that juts out right into Lake Michigan, and it is nicknamed the Cape Cod of the Midwest for a reason. That is exactly the vibe of Door County. Coastal towns, beautiful beaches, freshwater beaches at that, amazing restaurants, really cute shopping, and more. So I thought it was a great opportunity to do a little Door County summer vlog for you. We're gonna be doing a lot of fun things this weekend. It is the 4th of July weekend, so we're gonna be seeing fireworks and doing like the classic Americana summer vlog. We're gonna be boating, potentially hiking, or going for a run on the peninsula. We might go to the cute shops, and we'll definitely enjoy some of the really amazing restaurants in Door County, but we're also going to drive south to Milwaukee for an Alex Warren concert at Summerfest. Summerfest being like the biggest music festival in the state. Needless to say, I am so excited for this weekend, but before we can do anything, we have to get packed for the weekend. I legit have no idea what I'm wearing to this concert. Did I overpack? Yes. Whenever I travel places and people ask where I'm from and what it's like, I'm always like, well, from Wisconsin, we don't have any mountains, we don't have any oceans, but we do have the Great Lakes. And when I explain the Great Lakes to people, they never believe me that it feels like an ocean when you're on the Great Lakes. There are incredible sandy beaches. There's beautiful coastal towns. The lakes are so big. I don't think people comprehend how big these lakes are when they're not from here. Like, you can't see across to the other side of the lake. You get huge waves, a huge history of shipwrecks on the Great Lakes. And just like, look at this view. Like, it just feels like an ocean. But even though it feels like an ocean, what's nice about the Great Lakes is that they aren't saltwater, they're freshwater. And there are no sharks or big scary marine life. I mean, there is big marine life, but it's not like the ocean where there are literal predators swimming among you. So it's like you almost feel safer and your eyes don't burn when you're swimming in the Great Lakes as opposed to saltwater. Day 2 of our little Door County summer weekend. This morning we had a really slow morning. We went paddleboarding out on Lake Michigan by Cana Island Lighthouse. It was so peaceful and pretty and surprisingly warm out on the water. Then we had lunch and hammocked a little, sat outside and read a book, and now we're on our way down to Milwaukee. Actually, it's about a 3-hour drive to go to an Alex Warren concert, which is so fun, at Summerfest. It's both of our first times at Summerfest, and I'm so excited. Also, I should mention that we got our tickets for the Alex Warren concert for free with our Chase FI Reserve card. The Chase FI Reserve, I have a whole video explaining the benefits of that card when I unboxed it. but one of the benefits is a $150 StubHub credit twice a year. So we used one of our $150 StubHub credits for these Alex Warren tickets. Pretty nice benefit, and it's nice to be using those benefits and to be getting to go to a concert, an Alex Warren concert, for basically free. The Door County Peninsula is made up of several coastal cities, all really cute and really unique and known for their own thing. There's Jacksonport, Bailey's Harbor, Fish Creek, Ephraim, Sister Bay, Ellison Bay, and Washington Island are the main ones. We spent the 4th of July, our day 3 of our summer weekend, in Door County, in Bailey's Harbor, because they had amazing 4th of July festivities going on, including a annual pancake breakfast, a parade, a farmer's market. In true American fashion, we spent the morning there at the farmer's market. I got the best banana cream chai iced chai of my life at Roost and Banter, the coffee shop in Bailey's Harbor, and then we made it back to our place, paddleboarded a little bit more by the Cana Island Lighthouse, grilled out for dinner, had a bonfire, roasted marshmallows over the fireplace, and ate s'mores, and watched some fireworks through the trees in true 4th of July fashion. Today, we are renting a boat in Sister Bay. Sister Bay is probably our favorite city, all of our favorite city on the peninsula. It is just always very lively. They have some of our favorite restaurants there, like Al Johnson's and Wild Tomato. Those are some of my favorites. And it's on the bay side. So we have been staying in Bailey's Harbor on the Lake Michigan side of the peninsula. Sister Bay is on the Green Bay side. So we're renting a pontoon there today for a few hours. Hopefully gonna go tubing, have some fun in the sun, on the water. The bay side water should also be a lot warmer than the Lake Michigan side, so that will be nice. Then come back to our place and relax, probably paddleboard a little bit more, get back on the water before we end our long weekend in Door County. Boating was so fun in Sister Bay this morning. Definitely recommend renting a pontoon if you are in Sister Bay. Now we're at Newport State Park and we're doing the Fern and Lynn Point Loop Trail. It's a little under a 3-mile loop trail, I believe, and pretty flat. All trails said it was like a 49 feet of elevation gain, but my watch has already tracked 100 feet of elevation gain, so either way, it's pretty flat and manageable. Half of the loop trail is right along the water, along the Lake Michigan side of the peninsula, so it is really pretty. actually pretty sandy right here.
Yeah. No bear tracks, so.
That's good.
Guess so.
Although I do believe that I read that this state park has the most bears of the Door County Peninsula.
Hi, bear.
Hey, bear. Be bear aware. Parts of this trail are definitely less maintained than the All Trails photos made it seem. And I'm wishing I wore my pants. I zipped off the bottom of my hiking pants because it's warm out, but I'm kind of wishing I wore them because some of the trail is a little bit overgrown. And this is how Kenny is swinging away the cobwebs that are in front of us. Can see why this is called Fern Trail, this part of the trail. Ferns everywhere around this boardwalk. And just like that, our weekend in Door County is pretty much done. We're on our way home now. We have a couple-hour drive. It was so fun. Probably the best 4th of July weekend both of us have ever had, and probably the best trip up to Door County that we've ever had. Too, if you want to see more videos about Door County, about the things to do in each town, about each town in general, definitely leave a comment, let me know. I would love to come back and make more videos about the Door County Peninsula. Other than that, I will see you in next week's video. So for now, ciao.